Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the background of an image in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app, and after we open it up, it usually opens up in the home menu, but from the home menu we go into the projects. Then we select a project that we want to work on, and after the project loads, sometimes it takes a bit more, we select the image that we want to edit, and after we selected it, in the top part of it there are three little dots. If you tap on those, if you tap on the image, in the bottom bar we find the effects icon. We tap on this, and then in the left side of the screen we find BG remover, background remover. Unfortunately this is a pro option, but I can tell you how to proceed. After you tapped on this, the app is going to load and remove the background of the image, and then you can just tap on the OK icon, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.